Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about equi-join. So what is the definition of equi-join? Equi-join is same as theta-join, where theta is condition only with equal operator. So operators for equi-join is only equal operator. Theta-joins uses equality comparison operator. It is said to be equi-join. It is mostly used to join two relations. Here is the example of equi-join. Student, select all the students where student ID is equal to result dot student ID. Look at the condition. We are not applying any comparison operator like greater than, less than, or greater than, equal to operators. We are using only equal sign. So open XAMPP server for implementation purpose. Select the database, which is test data. We are going to apply on same tables, which is result and student, and the query is also same like theta-join. Select ID, name, marks from student table, where, and here is the result table, where result dot ID is equal to student dot ID. STD, here is the STD ID. Execute the query and the result is here. We can also use this query for the same purpose. Select ID, name, marks from student table, and inner join, and the table name is result on clause, where result dot std id and student dot id. Execute the query and result is also same with 0.0034 seconds, and with where clause the result is 0.0023 seconds. So the query optimization is also important. Thank you for watching this video.